All right, fifth grade, this is your review for your quiz. We're going to do a couple questions together to help you prep for it. So number 1 asks us to express 9/1000ths as a decimal. Now that means that this 9 is going to be in the thousands place. So if we have our decimal place there, this is our ones, our tenths, our hundredths, our thousandths, which means the 9 is going to go there and the rest are zeros. That's all they wanted for number 1. Now, number 2 asks you to express it as a fraction, all right? This is the thousandths again, which means it's going to have a denominator of 1,000. And you just put this number on top, 29. I'm done. And then writing this in words, remember that you are writing out every single thing. So 24, you see that decimal, so I go and, that's my decimal point, 3, no, oh sorry, when we do the decimal, we're going to write this entire number. So 357, and then what place value is that 7 in? It's in the thousands. Okay, expanded form, I'm actually going to accept both ways. If you were to multiply each place value by the number that's there, I will accept that as well. But you can do, I'll do both ways for you. You can do it 20 plus 4 plus 3/10 plus 5/100 plus 7/1000. I will accept that. Or you could do it the long way that we learned in class, or 2 times 10 plus 4 times 1 plus 3 times 1/10 plus 5 times 100th plus 7 times 1,000th. I will accept either one, okay? And then of course in unit form, how many are there? So you would do 24 ones and 357 thousandths. Okay? Our next one is our round, or sorry, no, this isn't rounding. This is greater than, less than, or equal to. So we're comparing these two numbers. So this one has a chart so that you could write it out and see and compare. So I have 167 and 4/10, and then 167 and 462 thousandths. Now remember, when there's nothing inside of these boxes, they are zeros. So now we are going to look at each box and move our handy dandy paper over. So they're the same, so I move over. They're the same, so I move over. They're the same, so I move over. They're the same, so I keep going. And now we have something different. I have a 0 and a 6. Which one's bigger? The 6. So this number is bigger than the top number. Okay? The rest of them will work. For number 3, I would just like to remind you that decreasing order means it is greatest to least. Okay? And the last one, we are going to round these to the place value that is mentioned. So A says to round to the nearest tenth. So I'm going to rewrite this number. I'm going to underline my tenths place. I'm going to look next door. Is it 5 or more? Yes, it is, which means I'm going to add one more to this. Now, remember, if I had 10 in one group, if I have 10 tenths, doesn't that move over to the next value, which is the ones place? So this becomes 14.0. Okay? So I hope that going over this in class and for tonight's homework helps you out. Good luck on your quiz.